In this video, we will talk about how to create a survey using statcrunch. So the first thing that I want to do is sign in. So I will just sign in using my username and password. So most of you guys already know what your username and password is. So I'm just going to sign in. Hopefully I got it right. Okay, so now the next thing that you want to be able to do is you want to go to surveys and create a survey. Okay, so let me go and put a survey name. So you can just put, I don't know, math 119x survey or whatever you want to call it. And then you can just leave these two things as is. So let's just click on save and add questions. So here, what you're gonna have, you can see here that there's no responses and it's closed right now, but you want to select the type of question that you might want. So you have multiple choice, multiple select, short answer, long answer, multiple part. For the most part, most of you guys are gonna be using the multiple choice option, which is a single select and probably like a short answer. So I'm gonna click on multiple choice, and then you can just start answering or asking your question. So you can say, what is your gender? Okay, and then on the answer options, just write down your options. So you can say male, you can say female, and then you can say other. Okay. Now, if you don't want to write other, something that you can do is you can just exit this one, and then you can just click on add an other answer choice. So it'll give them a choice to do that. Afterwards, it'll ask you for a column label. I will recommend you writing a column label now than later. And then I'm just going to call this gender. That way, when I get all my data, you'll be able to see this is the column for gender. So I'm going to add the question. Okay. So then so you can see on the top, here's the question that I have. Okay, and this is what it's gonna look like. Afterwards, you can keep doing this if you want. So maybe you want to ask for their age, maybe. So what you want to do is you want to click on short answer, and then you'll want to click on only accept numerical inputs. Okay, so we can ask, what is your age? Okay, and then we'll just keep going down, make sure that answer is required, only accept numerical inputs. So maybe I can just say from 0 to 110. And basically what that will do, it'll restrict the numbers from 0 to 110. Now, if everyone is 18 and older, then maybe from 18 to 110. And then I can just call this age. Okay, add question. Okay, and then I can keep going. So I can continue asking a lot of different types of questions. So once I am done with all of my, with all of them, then what you want to do, click on this button that says close to responses. We're going to click on it, and it'll now be open for responses, and it'll give you this survey is now open for responses so people can actually view it. You can click on copy survey link. So it'll be copied to your clipboard, but it'll also be here. So you can just highlight it if you want and then copy it. And then all you got to do is just post it on social media. So for example, let me go ahead and sign out. If I go ahead and just put it, it'll show you your survey. Obviously, you only have 2 questions, but see that, you know, maybe I'm male. And then I put, I'm not going to tell you my age, but let's say I was 21. Okay, submit survey. It'll say, thank you for submitting your survey. And then when you sign in, you'll be able to view all the responses. So let me go ahead and just sign in really quick. So I am signed in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my surveys. So click on that. You'll see here's my Math 119 survey. You can see that there's one response there. So you're going to go ahead and click on it. Here's your survey. You can click on Analyze Data, and you'll be able to see the responses here. So see how there's this, I picked male and then age 21, and here is my data.